Hello, finance enthusiasts. Today we're touching on a topic that might just help your wallet grow. The best mutual funds for long-term growth. Mutual funds, a cornerstone of smart investing, are a unique strategy allowing you to pool your resources with other investors. This collective effort enables the purchase of a diverse collection of stocks, bonds, or other securities, a feat that might prove challenging to achieve single-handedly. The beauty of mutual funds lies in their inherent diversity. Rather than placing all your eggs in one basket, mutual funds allow your investment to be spread across a wide range of assets, reducing risk and increasing potential for growth. Managed by financial professionals, these funds provide an opportunity for you to invest in a wide-ranging portfolio, even if you're not a Wall Street whiz. It's like having your own personal finance team working round the clock to ensure your money grows. Now that we know what mutual funds are, let's delve into the ones that promise long-term growth. Long-term growth mutual funds have some unique features that set them apart. These funds are a class of investment vehicles that primarily focus on capital appreciation. This means they aim to increase the value of the initial investment over the long term, rather than focusing on generating short-term income through dividends or interest. At the heart of these funds is the drive for growth. They invest in companies that show significant promise for expansion and increased profits in the future. These companies could be in burgeoning sectors like technology or healthcare, or they could be established businesses poised to break into new markets. However, with the potential for high returns comes a certain level of risk. Long-term growth mutual funds are not for the faint of heart. They require an investor to have a higher risk tolerance compared to those investing in more conservative funds. This is because the stocks they invest in can be volatile, with their value fluctuating up and down. But remember, with greater risk often comes greater reward. The key here is the term long-term. These funds are designed for investors who are able to let their money grow over a significant period of time, riding out the highs and lows of the market. It's also worth noting that these funds tend to have higher expense ratios due to the active management involved. Fund managers are constantly researching, analyzing, and making decisions to ensure the fund is positioned for growth. This active management approach can potentially lead to higher returns, but it comes at a cost. Lastly, long-term growth mutual funds can provide diversification. They invest in a variety of stocks across different industries, reducing the impact if one sector or company performs poorly. With these characteristics, it's clear why long-term growth mutual funds are a popular choice among investors. They offer the potential for substantial returns over the long haul, provide diversification, and are perfect for those with a higher risk tolerance and a patient investment approach. There are numerous mutual funds out there, but some stand out when it comes to long-term growth. Let's dive into a few examples that have exhibited consistent performance based on historical data. Remember, past performance isn't a guarantee for future results, but it can give us an idea of these funds' potential. First up is the Vanguard 500 Index Fund, a low-cost option that mirrors the S&P 500. This fund offers exposure to some of the largest U.S. companies and has a solid track record of long-term growth. It's a great choice for those looking for a straightforward passive investment strategy. Next, we have the Fidelity Contra Fund. This actively managed fund focuses on large-cap stocks and has consistently outperformed its benchmark over the years. The fund's manager, Will Danoff, has a knack for picking winners, and his strategy has led to impressive growth. Then there's the T. Rowe Price Equity Income Fund. This fund seeks high dividend yield and long-term growth, a combination that can be quite profitable over time. It's a good option for those looking to balance income generation with capital appreciation. And let's not forget the Dodge & Cox Stock Fund. This fund has a long history of success and focuses on undervalued companies. Its team-based approach to investment decisions has resulted in consistent long-term growth. Finally, the American Funds Growth Fund of America is another standout. It's one of the largest mutual funds in the world and has a diverse portfolio with a heavy emphasis on growth stocks. These are just a few examples of the variety of mutual funds available for long-term growth. Each has its own strategy, risk level, and expense ratio, so it's essential to do your homework before investing. Remember, the best mutual fund for you will depend on your individual goals, risk tolerance, and investment timeline. Consult with a financial advisor to determine which fund aligns best with your long-term growth objectives. These examples should give you an idea of what to look for when searching for the best mutual funds for long-term growth. Investing in long-term growth mutual funds can be a smart move for your financial future. It's been an enlightening journey, hasn't it? We've explored the essence of mutual funds, delved into the characteristics of those geared towards long-term growth, and even highlighted a few stellar examples. Remember, these funds can potentially offer substantial returns over time, making them an appealing option for those with a long-term view on their investments. They can offer diversification and are managed by experienced professionals, further adding to their allure. But as with any financial endeavor, it's crucial to do your own research or consult with a trusted financial advisor before making any decisions. After all, it's your hard-earned money we're talking about, so what are your thoughts on the best mutual funds for long-term growth? We'd love to hear your opinions and experiences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. Thanks for watching.